The Mark Files, Episode 1, Attack of the Wrong Tool. Meet Mark, a craftsman who prides himself on getting the job done right. Today's task, a precision installation. No room for error.
All right, let's get this marked up.
First up, securing a mounting bracket. The holes are deep, the target is small.
This bulky tip won't fit, and it's not even long enough to go through the hole.
The result? Guesswork. A recipe for rework and wasted time.
There has to be a better way.
A pro always has a secret weapon. Clean, precise, and ready for drilling. The job back on track. The extended micro tip reaches where others can't. The Dura-Ink Needle Nose 5 Advantage. Reaches the unreachable. Extended micro tip marks through holes and in tight spaces where other markers can't. Delivers pinpoint precision. Industrial strength fine tip creates sharp, clean, and easy-to-read marks for unmatched accuracy. Built to last, durable permanent ink is wear and water-resistant for marks that stand up to the toughest job site conditions.
That's clear labeling and accurate spotting.
Don't just make a mark, make your mark. Dura-Ink Needle Nose 5 Permanent ink marker with extended micro tip.
Want to learn more about the Dura-Ink Needle Nose? Scan the QR code.
The Mark Files, Episode 2, The Mark That Lied.
Something's not right. Why does this torquey mark look blurry again? The paint leaked everywhere, dripping under the bolt, making it impossible to see if there's been any movement. We have no choice other than to mark each bolted connection. The slightest movement could cost us a failure or worse. Let's try something designed not to run. Look at that. Thick, clean, controlled. No drip. And if it moves, that 3D mark cracks clearly. Now that's reliable detection.
More volume. Better performance. Safer for users. The choice is clear. The new standard of safety in relay applications, doors and cabin systems, power and electrical assemblies, critical maintenance checks, OEM quality process, security check original paint marker.
Need for speed? Feeling the heat.
The Plus series, powered up for extreme conditions. Security check plus fast dry, extremely fast drying torque paint marker. Security check plus high temperature. High temperature resistance torque paint marker.
Want to learn more about the security check paint markers? Scan the QR codes.
The Mark Files, Episode 3, Mark versus the Dark Surface.
Hey, we need to mark the dimension of this pipe before it heads to shipping. Make sure the marks are visible.
Every job requires precision. The first step, a clear, accurate mark.
I need to mark this 20 inches barrel. Let's grab my ink marker. What? I can barely see it. That's not going to work. Wait a minute. Ink just soaks in. I don't need ink. I need paint.
For a professional grade mark, you need a professional grade tool.
Done right the first time. That's the mark of work.
Ink versus paint. Dye-based ink, instant drying, low resistance, invisible on dark surfaces. Pigment-based paint, fast drying, long-term durability, opaque and vibrant colors. When ink fails, paint prevails. Paint Writer Industry Marker SL100. Liquid paint marker for general marking. Want to learn more about the Paint Writer SL100? Scan the QR code. The Mark Files, Episode 4, The Temperature That Tells the Truth. In the world of critical welding, guessing is not an option. You need accuracy, you need confidence, you need tempil.
Specs demand a preheat of exactly 350 degrees. But looking at the steel, it all looks the same. If I miss the temp at the weld, cracks. Hold it right there, kid. We don't guess on this floor. Chief, I was just checking the color of the steel to gauge the heat. Steel color lies. Physics doesn't. You need the right tool.
This isn't just a crayon, it's a precision instrument, calibration-free, 100% reliable, made in the USA.
Stroke the orc piece before you heat it. It leaves a dry, opaque mark. That's your sentry. Apply the heat. Keep your eye on the mark. It's engineered to react to surface temperature instantly. See that? The moment it turns to liquid, you've hit your number.
So I know I'm exactly at 170 degrees Celsius?
Exactly. No batteries to die. No calibration to drift. Just pure chemistry.
Imprinted part number, temperature and lot code for 100% traceability. 116 temperatures available from 38 degrees Celsius to 1,093 degrees Celsius.
It's built for rough hands. Solid metal holder. Stays in your pocket.
Shipbuilding, fracking, rail, or oil and gas. If it heats, we can measure it.
Weld is solid. Temperature was perfect.
Good work. Confidence is the best safety gear you can wear.
Tempel stick, fast, accurate surface temperature indicator.
Want to learn more the temple stick? Scan the QR code.
The Mark Files, Episode 5. The line you can trust. 8 a.m., the rush order is in. Heavy gauge steel, fresh from the mill. It's rusted, wet, and covered in oil. Standard soapstone won't bite on this grease. It rubs off before the torch is even lit.
Can't cut what you can't see. Accuracy is non-negotiable here. Where's the line? If I botch this cut, the whole plate is scrap. Time to bring out the specialist.
The Markall Silver Streak. Engineered for the reality of the job site.
Now that is the line I can trust.
It won't rub off. It won't blow away. Ready for the heat. The true test, visibility. Reflective lead illuminates through the filter plate. Precision, delivered.
Clean cut.
Durable mechanical holder prevents breakage and keeps hands and gloves clean. Sturdy pocket clip for easy access in the shop. Refillable. Minimizes waste, maximizes uptime. Markall Weld Writer Welding Marker, Silver Streak. For welding, metal layout, and fabrication. Want to learn more about the Silver Streak? Scan the QR code.